Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see that how we can get an local WordPress to our system. So we are going to use Bitnami WordPress for this thing. So let's go to your browser and search for Bitnami WordPress download. Press enter and then go to the first link. When you open the first link, you will be directed to Bitnami WordPress. Then here we have options where we wanna install this package. So the first thing is on the cloud, container, and on your system. So for now we are going to install in our system. Then I'm going to use Windows, Mac, and Linux machine option. So when you just scroll a little bit down, then you will be able to see these options too. So you need to choose your machine, and I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to choose this one and press on this button. It will redirect you to another page, and then your download will get started. So here you can see that our download is just started. So please wait for a few seconds until it get downloaded to our system. Then we will see the installation process. Okay, now the file have downloaded to our system. Now we are going to open this file for installation process. Then click on open file. Then click on yes. Now here you can see that we are getting a prompt that Bitnami is now started for installation process. Then click on OK, and from here you can choose language. I'm going to choose English. Then click OK. It's asking for continue. Okay, so here is an alert. If you wanna go, then click on yes. Then click on next, and here the folder of WordPress will get installed. Then click on next, and from here you need to decide your username, password. So username, you can put anything you want to use. Password, for now I'm taking my password as admin, and username is use. Make sure that the both passwords are same. So then click on next. Here it's showing blog name or a website name, means it will be shown as a title of your website. Then click on next. If you want to configure mail support, then you can enable this, and if you don't want to go with this thing, then you can leave it. So then click on next, and then click again. Okay, now the installation is going to start. The installation might take few minutes, and then we will go to our WordPress site. Okay, here we have done with our installation process. Then click on finish. When the installation get done, you are going to redirect on this page, and here we have an option to access WordPress. Then click on access WordPress. So here is our WordPress site. Now we can access this website. Okay, now you can see this is the home page of our website. You can use this to create beautiful websites, and can use this website to learn about WordPress templates and other things. And from here you can easily redirect to your WordPress dashboard.